Hello everyone, and in today's video we would be seeing how to set up your web dev environment in just 4 to 5 minutes. Without further ado, let's start. So, what would you need? One, a browser. Second, a code editor. Yes, that's it, not much. So, let's start. For code editor, there are many code editing softwares out there where you could choose on your own. I personally prefer VS Code. Why? It's easy, and that's what I started with. You yourself could just go in text editor, Notepad++, or any of the one you like. So for just VS Code, go to Google Chrome, write VS Code, go to the website as it loads. Still loading. Loaded. So there's just a big blue button, download for Windows if you are on Windows, download for Linux if you are on Linux. Download for Windows, you'll set it up, you'll open it up, and it should look something like this. And if it doesn't look like this, you could make a new folder, go to the file, open folder, and open your folder. You could name it as web dev tutorials. Next thing, a browser. If you are seeing this video, you probably have a browser, so we could skip that part. And I would recommend you to download Node.js because it's one of the famous technologies used to web technologies. It's not obligated to have Node.js for basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript programs, but it would help you enhance your web development technologies. So download it, go to Google and write Node.js. You will probably get the site. There it is, Node.js. It would open. There's download for Windows or any other software you want. You could download npm and then done. Once everything is done, just go new file, name it as index.html, press enter. It's your first HTML file. If you go HTML5 in VS Code, which would give you the boilerplate code for your first HTML program, that's why I prefer VS Code. It helps you a lot in support. So in your body, just for now, I would teach this later. Write P and say hello world, or just make it an H1. You save the file. You run it. For running it, there's one thing. You could go in the folder, double click on it. As it's an HTML file, it would always, a browser would open it. Tada! Hello world, and you are set up with your web dev environment in just 4 minutes. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.